Hey guys, our video today is at Hyatt House in Columbus, Ohio. This is pretty close to the Ohio State campus, and this hotel is a little bit more of like a homestay type hotel or an extended stay hotel. I'm doing a tour of 2 queen beds, standard room, I believe. It's room 509, so we're on the 5th floor. So we're starting out by looking at the little kitchen area. So you've got, there's plates and cups and storage containers. There's a lot of stuff in here for your convenience, glasses, and then there's some wine glasses up here at top. It does come with a dishwasher, and there are a couple of dishwashing packets and dishwashing detergent. You have a tiny little coffee pot. Down below you've got a dish scrubber as well. And it does have this tiny little stove. Also, I haven't tried using anything, I just checked in. Here is the microwave, and you've also got a little fridge and also a tiny freezer at the top. There isn't any ice or anything in it, but I assume that there are ice makers here somewhere. I'm not quite sure about that. But this is pretty cool. When I walked in, this is the first time I've ever seen this, like somewhere that you can hang your purse with a mirror beside it and a little chalkboard thing so you could write a message, I guess, and just lay some of your junk down when you come in. But here is the room. Hopefully it's not too bright for you, but this is a really nice little office area. I guess it's your kitchen area, but you could sit here and take video phone calls or Zooms if you wanted to, if you were here to work. There's a really nice sitting area, a large sofa with enough seats for like 4 or 5 people if you squish together. Sorry about the glare on the windows. I was trying to mess with my pro video, but I'm not super skilled at that yet. So we got 2 queen beds. Don't know how comfortable they are. I did sit down on the edge. It felt pretty soft. And you can set the temperature. And here's your bathroom area. So you've got a place where you can store your luggage and some shelving for putting your clothes and stuff out if you're going to be staying longer. We've got an extra pillow, extra blanket, and a safe and a luggage rack, iron and ironing board. And here's your bathroom. So it's just a standard shower, and it does have the amenities that you can just pump from. You don't get your own little bottles, which is okay. There's plenty of towels that they give you. It's a sliding door to the bathroom, so that's okay, I think. And you've got extra amenities down there, and a bar of soap and lotion. So I'm going to show you the view here as well, because one of the selling points of this hotel is that it's right next to the Olentangy Trail, so you can go out for a nice walk along the river if you wanted to. So we're looking down on the parking lot, obviously, but if you look over there, like right behind where that white car is, that's the river right there, and that's the Olentangy Trail. You can see the Olentangy Trail sign right beside the road. So it runs all along that way, and you can walk right along the river. I'm thinking there's pretty good views. I'm going to take a walk later. Haven't like actually explored it yet, but it looks really nice. And here's what the entry looks like to the Hyatt House parking lot. So as you can see the Ohio State Medical Center in the distance. So we're pretty close to all of the Ohio State stuff. If you were going to stay here, this would be a good place to stay if you were visiting Ohio State. It's pretty comfortable, clean. The check-in was quick and friendly. You get a hot breakfast in the morning included in your stay, and they also have a bar/restaurant downstairs as well. And there's a little quick market with a limited supply of things. They do have like some frozen meals and stuff like that if you needed that. But anyway, I am enjoying my stay. I just checked in, but I think this is a pretty nice place to stay if you are not looking for something super luxurious, but you want something that is fairly economical and has all the stuff you need. for a one-night stay or a week stay. Last thing I'll mention, they do have an indoor pool and a fitness room, so you can take advantage of those as well. So thanks very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Thanks.